What if I told you there's a frog that can freeze solid and then come back to life? Meet the wood frog. During winter, it literally turns into ice. Its heart stops beating, and its body becomes a frozen block. But when spring arrives, it thaws out and hops away as if nothing ever happened. How does it do this? Scientists found that these incredible frogs produce a natural antifreeze in their blood. This antifreeze prevents ice from damaging their cells, allowing them to survive the harshest conditions. It's like nature's own superhero, defying the odds and teaching us about resilience in the most astonishing way.